transfer station. It costs 1 lari per ride, and you need to buy a card. So we have 6 stops. So we're looking for the Sighnaghi bus station to go to Sighnaghi, which is like the wine region of Georgia.
Sighnaghi,
yeah, Sighnaghi.
yeah.
Oh, Sighnaghi, yes, Sighnaghi, yes.
Taxi
Yes,
or bus?
Sighnaghi.
Bus.
Demo Magaro.
We want a bus station.
Ay.
Mashuka.
Oh, Marshatka. Adin Chilavik, Piatalar.
Okay.
Okay, oh, Vici.
I don't understand.
Modi.
Where's the bus?
I stop. I Sighnaghi.
Okay.
Shenobaro, Shenobaro.
But over there.
Marshatka. Davai. Marshatka Chendeba, Sighnaghi.
Mashuka, how
That
much
sounds right.
Mashuka?
That sounds
How
right.
much Mashuka?
Piatalar, Adin Chilavik.
Okay, good. Okay.
Six.
Oh,
This
so,
way.
welcome, Davai,
Okay,
Sighnaghi.
okay. Madloba. Okay, so that guy apparently, he's the one who told us to go this way, but we don't know. We're gonna get food. Yeah, same.
Because it's down the street. I actually got it as soon as he started talking to us.
Oh, okay.
So he's actually
Which one are you getting? Oh my god. Oh, I want that. It's got like,
I know, right? What is it?
I don't know. But this chocolate one, what in the world?
Yes. This one. This one.
Oh, you are gonna get the chocolate.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's like a pastry and it has like something jelly on the inside. It's dry. It's so gross. Breakfast of champions.
And you wouldn't believe it, but there was a line getting this thing.
It's so gross. Okay, well, that's, yeah, well.
It's pretty bad.
We're gonna eat some cheese and Sighnaghi apparently. Grocery store, cold coffee, not recommended at all. Nothing I've eaten today I recommend anyone eat.
But
It's
you
gonna be
don't
like
wanna
a
eat
what
in
to
Georgia.
not do in Georgia.
What to not eat in Georgia? Let's start with the coffee. Your broken stick.
So we're at the Georgian restaurant. We're gonna have a bunch of food. I'll show you. We are trying to get local dishes, but we have no idea really. But this is our view.
Yeah, it's totally sick.
I had a feeling.
That's
This
exciting.
isn't even the big one. I thought, oh, sorry, thank you.
We'll probably get it up.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay.
I was thinking.
Oh, I can't wait for you to try this. It's so good. Here, smell it first.
Oh, it smells
Different,
delicious.
right? Okay. I'm really excited for this. Here, it's gonna get busy.
Okay, so this is like the Georgian lemonade. It's bijoa. Sometimes they have like a bunch of different flavors. This is my first time trying this one. Cheers! Oh, it's good.
You like it?
Okay, I can't explain it.
No.
It's like almost like ginger ale, but
But with pear? But
with
not really
pear, but not pear.
Well, it's
It's like-
actually sweeter than the one I had. Like, it doesn't taste
Really?
as bijoy. But it's still good.
It's called like bijoa, fijoa, or
Bijoa,
something.
yeah.
Bijoa.
That's what they say in New Zealand. I can't take that for
That is good. Okay, so these are what they call Mexican potatoes. And I don't know what kind of sauce.
Mexican sauce.
Mexican potatoes and a Mexican sauce. Well,
That's good.
these are good.
That's really
Oh my
good.
god, they're really good. They have this Mexican season you can buy almost anywhere, so I think I'm gonna buy it. It's a little spicy. It's almost like a Thousand Island dressing or something, I
Yeah.
think. Maybe like a Thousand Island dressing? I don't know. That's delicious.
It's really good though.
So we have discovered that this is called feijoa lemonade. So feijoa is actually a fruit that they grow in Colombia, and yeah, so this is a feijoa, Colombian fruit that they grow in other parts of the world, but they actually took it from Brazil and Argentina and the rainforest, and they like distribute it all over the world. Because my friend was just telling me that it was from New Zealand, and I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure that's from Colombia. So yeah, feijoa. Okay, so we also ordered local regional cheese. I don't know if it's anything there, but and a beef dish. The cheese, I'm not sure if it's like a bowl of cheese.
I think it is.
And we might have just ordered a bowl of cheese and like a pomegranate beef dish. So let's see if it tastes how it tastes.
Oh, look at
Okay,
this.
so this is like
Cheese pull. Yeah, boy. Give me
okay,
that.
now we're eating next. Okay, this is like I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's still going.
That's what she said.
It's literally.
Oh my god, it's fantastic.
Oh my god, this is so good. This beef, so freaking good. A little salty, but food here in Georgia is a little salty. Oh, it's delicious. We have like a deconstructed cheeseburger basically and fries.
Mm-hmm.
If we didn't have this like little chunks of meat to put our mozzarella or our local cheese on, I don't know how you would eat it. If you would just eat it
With a
plain.
spoon.
With a spoon. Oh my god. It's so good.
It's really good.
Mm.
I'm happy.
Mhm. Okay, we're gonna finish eating. This is delicious. Mm.